Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the CVLIFE BearMight Solar Red Dot Sight for the PDP 2.0. Alright guys, so the Red Dot Sight's going to come shipped in this CVLIFE black and yellow box with white lettering here. So up at the top you'll see CVLIFE Bear Swift Series. This is a multiple reticle solar red dot sight. And here are some of the specifications. It's direct mount compatible with the PDP 2.0. Has the solar operation, an internal rechargeable battery, 2 MOA and 32 MOA circle. It has the motion awake technology, 3000 G shockproof, 10 brightness settings, and then here are the specs on the right. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so here is the user's manual. Here's the catalog, so you get the specification, structure, everything included in the packaging, the battery, management instructions, installation, pretty much everything you'll need to know in troubleshooting, maintenance care. So just like it said in the box, it does have the specifications, there's the product structure, everything in the packaging. You can also use this on a Picatinny mount if you choose to do that. Then you get all your different screws, cleaning cloth, so on. Lots of good details here, guys. And there's the reticle switching. So there's a red circle dot, regular dot, and then a red circle. And also recommended zeroing distance. Lots of good info in here. So here's the cleaning cloth. Of course, we have the red dot sight. Here are the different screws, and they do come with Loctite on them. Really good feature. Here's our mounting tools, and also for the adjustments. Then we also have the Picatinny rail adapter here. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the CVLIFE BearMight Solar Red Dot Sight here. So one of the things you'll notice is there isn't a battery compartment, so either on the top, usually on the sides, or even on the bottom. So this actually recharges through the solar panel right here. So the longer you have this outside with the sun and the brightness hitting the solar panel here, it's going to recharge internally. So that's actually a neat feature, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries or replacing this, removing your optic. So you'll have that feature there, and then you also have the brightness settings. So to increase the brightness, there's a plus on the left and then a minus on the right. So of course there's 10 brightness settings and 2 night vision. 2 of those are night vision settings. To decrease the brightness, you'll hit the minus button here, and to increase, you hit the plus here. And you'll have your windage adjustments right here on the right, and then the elevation, which says a U here, is going to be up on top. As I mentioned before, this is for the PDP 2.0, so you can direct mount that on top without any plates or anything like that. So it's going to have the exact footprint of that. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that here in the video shortly. For the windage and elevation turrets, you can use the provided tool here. So it has a flat end on both sides. And you will have an audible click, so you'll hear that. Up on top for elevation. And again on windage. and then you'd be all set. So currently you'll see that the red dot sight is turned off. To turn this on, you're going to want to just press on the plus button here. You'll see that turns right on. And if you want to go ahead and shut this off just to save battery, hold the minus button just for a few seconds and you'll see that it's turned off. The sight also comes with motion awake technology, so if you do happen to leave this on, no worries. You can, as long as it's not sensing any motion for a while, it will automatically shut off. But as soon as it senses the motion, it's going to turn back on and be ready for you. Alright you guys, just wanted to show you the reticle options here. So right now we're currently looking at the red dot. And if you wanted to switch that to just the circle, you can press on and hold on the plus button here. And you'll see that changed. And if you want to switch with the circle and the dot, hold the plus button one more time. And you'll see that changed there. And you have your brightness settings. So that's the brightest setting there. Then if you wanted to dim it, just press the minus button here. You can see that start to go away. So you have the 2 night vision settings and then 8 daylight settings. Let's go ahead and increase the brightness. Let me show you with the black. See it a little better. And there you have it. Alright, so here's my Walther PDP Pro SD. This does have the 2.0 optic cutout on top. So I removed the optic plate already. This is a full-size model. And I want to show you that it is clear. So I have nothing in the chamber and I've removed the magazine. So we're good to go. So here's the optic, and it does sit on here without needing an optic plate. So you can have your co-witness. You can see the sights right there, which is actually very important. If for whatever reason your red dot stops working, you can still use your iron sights. So it's a really good fit. You can see closely there. Super easy to install. I'm going to be using the provided M3 8.5mm screws. As I mentioned before, these already have Loctite, so you don't have to worry about these slipping out. Probably best to go ahead from the top. Okay, so you see the screws sitting through. Pop that in. I'm going to be using the provided tool. I'm going to go ahead and just tighten a little bit on the right and a little bit on the left. And once I get those in, go ahead and get them snug. And there you guys are. Turn on the dot. Looks really nice, guys. Super flush fit. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE BearMight M06 solar red dot sight. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.